Techno update. Subscribe now.
Asus Zenpad Z8S Review. Design. The Asus Zenpad Z8S measures 8.0 by 5.3 by 0.27 inches and weighs 10.7 ounces, making it the lightest 8-inch tablet I've seen so far. Competitors like the Lenovo Tab Z8 measured 11.2 ounces, while the Amazon Fire HD 8 measured 13 ounces and the 9.7-inch Apple iPad came in at 16.5 ounces. The Zenpad uses a USB Type-C port for charging, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microSD card slot capable of holding up to 128GB of additional storage. Textured aluminum buttons for the power and volume are located on the Zenpad's right-hand side, while a smooth, plastic home button is housed in the center of the bottom bezel. A 5MP, front-facing camera lives on the top bezel. Dual speakers are nestled at the bottom edge, however, the Zenpad's microphone can be found at the top edge. Display. According to our colorimeter, the Zenpad Z8S screen can reproduce 107% of the sRGB color gamut. That number is higher than scores from the Lenovo Tab Z8, 90%, Amazon Fire HD 8, 79%, and category average, 97.4%. Apple's iPad beat the Zenpad 123%, but by only a slight margin. Performance. With a Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 processor and 3GB of RAM, the Asus Zenpad Z8S provides reliable performance for all of your media needs. I was able to surf the web and check my social media notifications with 10 tabs open in Google Chrome with ease. I didn't even experience stutter when alternating between Pokemon Duel and Netflix. Battery life. When it comes to a long-lasting battery, the Asus Zenpad Z8S is not top tier. The tablet lasted only 7 hours and 45 minutes on the laptop mag battery test, continuous web surfing over Wi-Fi. The Lenovo Tab Z8, 1007, Amazon Fire HD 8, 1058, and Apple iPad, 1259, all lasted longer than the Zenpad. Even the category average was better, 956. Cameras. Budget tablets usually have poor cameras. However, the shooters on the Zenpad Z8S are better than those found on the Tab Z8 and Fire HD 8. The 13MP rear camera captured clear photos with very little background noise, while the 5MP front camera was significantly grainy in comparison. Even in HDR Pro mode, the front-facing shooter couldn't compete with its higher resolution counterpart.